Next with SalonTouch, we're going to show you how to use a client's bonus points and or referral points. Every time a client makes a purchase with us, they earn bonus points that they can later trade in for free sessions. We only allow the clients to use their bonus points or referral points towards single sessions in tanning. They can use it to any level they'd like, red light therapy or single spray tan sessions. It cannot be used towards products. So you'll go up here to client, you'll pull up the client that you're going to use. If you go to profile here on the left-hand side, click on that. From there, you're going to go to account. This will show you the client has 525 purchase points, which equals $26.25. They also have referral points of $500. So the client has decided that they would like to do a level 3 session. So you're going to go to the register, click on this. You're going to go to sessions. You're going to click on level 3, bring them up for a single session, choose the employee that's doing the sale. You go down here to tender, and then you can use purchase points or referral points. So you'll click on purchase points. It'll tell you that the client has 525, which equals $26.25. The max that can be used is $20.90 because that's the amount of the session. So you would put in $20.90 here and hit OK. And now the client has just been rung up for that. Now, what if the client would like to do a session, but they don't have enough points? Can they do a partial payment towards their session? They sure can. So let's go here back to sessions. Let's choose a level 2 session this time. Highlight the level 2. Pick the employee that's doing the sale, go to tender again, use those purchase points. The max that can be used is $16.50 because that's what the total is, but we only have $6.30 available in points. 126, $6.30. So you would put in the $6.30 here. You would take $6.30 off. So total due is $16.50, total paid is $6.30, balance due is $10.20. Then they can pay for that in any normal way that they prefer, cash, check, MasterCard, or Visa. So then you would collect that fund and then the client could tan. So that's how you use purchase points or referral points for clients to tan with single sessions only.